Hello students, NCERT Solutions Class 12 Physics. Chapter is Electric Charges and Fields. Question number 7. A part. An electrostatic field line is a continuous curve. That is, a field line cannot have sudden breaks. Why not? B part. Explain why two field lines never cross each other at any point. Now solution is, as you know, an electrostatic field line is a continuous curve because it represents the path followed by a unit positive charge when experience a continuous force. पॉजिटिव चार्ज, यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज पर कंटिन्यूस फोर्स लगता है तो वो एक पाथ फॉलो करता है और दैट पाथ रिप्रेजेंट द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फील्ड लाइन, राइट. कंटिन्यूस फोर्स in an external electric field. It cannot have sudden breaks because the moving charge or test charge never jumps from one position to other position, right. क्योंकि कोई भी मूविंग चार्ज एक पोजीशन से दूसरी पोजीशन पर जंप नहीं कर सकता, इसलिए सडन ब्रेक नहीं हो सकता इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस के अंदर. दे आर कंटिन्यूअस कर्व्स. नाउ बी पार्ट इफ क्वेश्चन में कहता है एक्सप्लेन व्हाई द two field lines never cross each other. If the two lines of force intersect each other, then there are two tangents and hence two directions of electric field at the point of intersection which is not possible. That is, if we suppose two electric lines of force intersect like this, then at this point of intersection there are two directions, there are two tangents, and these two tangents represents two directions of electric field, and the two directions of electric field at a single point cannot be possible. Therefore, two electric lines of force never intersect because there are two directions, and which is not possible. This is the answer of this problem. Thank you.